Welcome to Singapore. I did the chicken cross the road. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh yeah, we're back. It's cloudy. I can feel my body getting zapped by the sun constantly. I'm going crazy over here today. Smile, smile.
Is this a video?
Smile. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm having a floral fancy time. Look, it's a duck. Look, it's a lemur. Night zoo, night zoo, night zoo, night zoo. Welcome to the night zoo vlog. There it is, the maned wolf. Beautiful. It's a Malayan night heron. That was once bird of the week, you know. Oh, she's running again because the cave is too scary. She's looking at the art in all the malls. Some 40,000 racing fans from around the world have made their way to Singapore to experience one of the hottest sporting events. What is up, YouTube? It's another one of those great times. In my ideal year, my dream would be to go to every Halloween Horror Nights in the world in 1 year, and this year I'm getting to do 2 of them. So I'm just back at Singapore. Daisy's left now. I'm on my own. Huge regrets to come to this on my own. I'm really scared now. I don't really like. I'm not sure I like it anymore. But yeah, let's see. I mean, I think it'll be a bit less joyous if I can't watch somebody else running away screaming from things. But we'll see. So my favorite Halloween Horror Nights reviewer said that this was the second scariest haunted house he'd ever been in, ever. And I'm doing it on my own, so... Oh my god.
Legend tells that as night falls, something sinister awakens within these crumbling walls.
up YouTube? We're back at Birds of Paradise today because I bought some binoculars in Japan last time, and it felt like last time there were so many places here where I just couldn't see birds, which sounds crazy to say, but the size, you can see now I'm in this huge aviary. The size of some of these aviaries is just so big that the birds can go anywhere, which is nice. Even nicer with some binoculars, perhaps. So yeah, just yeah. This little pigeon up here. There's only 60 left in the whole world, and 30 of them are in this aviary. It's an insurance policy. No.
너무한 거 아니냐? 우와, 대박.